Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic accessory that can enhance your outdoor adventures and make life on the go a whole lot easier, the Dometic CFX3 Cargo Slide. We've added a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. The Dometic Cargo Slide is specifically designed for the CFX3 powered coolers, particularly the 95 and 100 models. If you're someone who enjoys camping, road trips, or tailgating, you know how important easy access to your cooler is. This cargo slide takes the hassle out of reaching for those snacks and drinks stored in the back of your vehicle or RV. One of the standout features of the Dometic Cargo Slide is its strong construction. It's built to handle a max load capacity of 250 pounds, which means you can load it up with all your favorite food and beverages without worrying about whether it can handle the weight. The item itself weighs in at around 56 pounds, making it sturdy yet manageable for installation. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its straightforward design. You won't need to be an expert DIYer to get it set up, just a few simple tools and you'll have it ready to go in no time. The slide mechanism ensures smooth operation, allowing you to pull the cooler out with minimal effort. This is a game changer when you're parked in tight spots or have a full vehicle, no need to awkwardly reach into the back. Just slide it out and grab what you need. So, who is this product really suitable for? If you're an outdoor enthusiast, overlanding aficionado, or someone who frequently entertains guests outside, the Dometic CFX3 Cargo Slide is tailor-made for you. It's perfect for families on camping trips, friends heading to the beach, or anyone needing quick access to refreshments during a long drive. Let's talk about practical use cases. Imagine you're at a campsite after a long day of hiking. It's time to make dinner, and you need to get the ingredients from your cooler. Instead of digging through a pile of gear, you simply slide the cooler out, grab what you need, and slide it back in when you're done. It saves time and effort, allowing you to focus on enjoying your outdoor experience rather than fumbling around. Another scenario is during tailgating events. You want to keep the drinks and snacks cold but also need to access them frequently. The Cargo Slide makes it easy to pull out the cooler, grab a drink, and put it back all without the stress of digging through your car or truck. Not only does it enhance convenience, but it also helps keep your cooler secure while driving. The design ensures that the cooler stays in place, reducing movement and potential spills while you're on the road. In summary, the Dometic CFX3 Cargo Slide is an essential accessory for anyone who owns a CFX3 powered cooler. Its robust construction, easy installation, and practical functionality make it a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts and road trippers alike. With the ability to load up to 250 pounds and the convenience of easy access, it's designed to elevate your outdoor experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.